Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Envy 5540 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP Envy 5540 drivers. Go ahead and search for it. And the best result should say HP Envy 5540 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and select that. And then just scroll down on this page, and underneath HP Envy 5540 series full feature software and drivers, select the download button. And then once it's done downloading to your system, go ahead and open it up to run it. And you can close out of the browser at this time. And if you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. Should be an HP Inc. source or verified publisher. And then you should follow through the on-screen instructions or steps you see on my screen right now. And that would help complete the connection and activation of your printer to your device, and it should all work properly at that point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.